Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to assign or transfer a person to a payroll. I'm signed in as a payroll administrator. I need to transfer one of our employees to a new payroll. I can use the same steps to assign someone to a payroll and transfer someone to a different payroll. I want to transfer Elizabeth Brown to a different payroll. It's very important I set the correct effective date. The effective date of Elizabeth's payroll assignment determines whether she'll be paid and paid correctly. In this case, I'll make the effective date the first day of the year. Now that I've found Elizabeth, I'll take a look at her payroll relationships. I'll use Transfer Payroll to change her payroll assignment. Elizabeth will be transferring to the monthly payroll. I'll save this change and Elizabeth will be all set. This concludes the Assigning or Transferring Payroll Assignment tutorial. Thanks for watching.